The check engine light, CL, indicates a problem detected by your Altima's onboard diagnostics, OBD2 system. Resetting it clears the error code memory but doesn't fix the underlying issue. Modern Altimas, 2019 onwards, have sophisticated systems, making simple resets temporary. Before resetting, understand that it masks the problem, and repeated resets without repair can cause further damage. Newer models even allow diagnostics via smartphone apps through Nissan Connect. A common method is disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes, but this should only be done after retrieving the error code. Remember, resetting doesn't void warranties, but ignoring the root cause might. Start by using an OBD2 scanner available for $20 to $50 to read the trouble code, such as P0420. Common tools include Bluetooth scanners paired with apps like Torque or OBD Link. Next, use a wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 10 to 15 minutes to clear the codes. Reconnect the battery terminal, start your Altima, and observe if the check engine light reappears. If the light returns, the underlying issue needs professional attention. Consider recent recalls, such as the 2024 EGR valve issue, where resetting without fixing can cause engine damage. Expert data shows resetting without repair can increase future costs by 20 to 30%. Always prioritize scanning for codes and seek professional help for anything beyond a loose gas cap, like P0440 code.